Unitary Robotics' G1 humanoid robot has received a significant agile upgrade, resulting in astonishing performance improvements. Recent footage showcases the robot walking and jogging on uneven terrain as if it were second nature. Observers noted a moment where the G1 nearly tripped descending a step, but recovered so quickly that its natural movements were hard to believe. The G1's form is now more refined, with smoother gait and faster foot placement, earning praise for its natural appearance. The G1's enhanced abilities are the result of frequent updates from Unitary Robotics, with improvements rolled out almost monthly. Public reactions range from admiration for the engineering team to humor about never outrunning these advanced machines. Versatile and flexible tasks. The G1 and similar robots demonstrate remarkable versatility, handling tasks ranging from kung fu moves and navigating challenging environments to cooking, cracking nuts, and welding. Their fluidity of motion is striking, leading many to feel both inspired and slightly intimidated by these advancements. Unitary Robotics has also partnered with the AI network to integrate a system called PoMesh. This collaborative spatial computing protocol enables multiple robots to exchange spatial data in real time, allowing for efficient coordination. Robots using PoMesh can share maps, reduce redundancy, and optimize resources, making deployments faster and more scalable. The Eliza Wakes Up project, a step toward realistic humanoids. Another groundbreaking initiative is the Eliza Wakes Up project, which aims to develop one of the most advanced humanoid robots available. Starting with the sophisticated Unitary H1 platform, the project upgrades its realism through collaborations with old-world labs. Key advancements include animatronic silicone face, capable of a wide range of expressions for emotional connection, advanced hands, dexterous enough to handle everyday objects with near-human precision, hyper-realistic skin, designed to cross the uncanny valley with lifelike details. Eliza's AI-powered brain integrates a large language model and the Eliza OS 5.2 by AI6 ZDA. This allows the robot to think, reason, interact naturally, and even interface with blockchain technology. The developers describe Eliza as a physical embodiment of AI that bridges the digital and physical worlds. G1, specifications and advanced capabilities. The Unitary Robotics H1 platform central to the Eliza project boasts impressive specifications. Height, approximately 180 cm. Weight, approximately 47 kg walking speed. 1.12 m/s. Sprinting speed, approximately 5 ms peak torque density. 189 nanometers per kilogram, 864 W battery capacity. Over 8 hours of operation, real-time response 50 milliseconds, depth perception up to 100 m using 3D LiDAR and cameras. The G1 also features M17 joint motors for agility, operating efficiently in temperatures ranging from -10 degrees Celsius to 45 degrees Celsius. Revolutionary training and rapid adaptation. The G1's ability to adapt quickly to new tasks stems from advanced reinforcement learning models. For example, researchers at the University of California, San Diego taught the robot to waltz by mirroring human movements in real time, eliminating the need for pre-programmed scripts. This approach allows robots to learn new tasks from demonstrations, reducing the need for manual dataset creation. Similar methods have been employed by other teams such as Stanford University to teach robots activities like boxing and tennis. This adaptability promises applications in caregiving, personal training, and workplace safety, as well as more efficient industrial tasks. The future of humanoid robots. As robotics continues to advance, Unitary Robotics and its collaborators are setting new benchmarks. The integration of AI, dexterous hands, and emotional intelligence could redefine how robots interact with humans and perform complex tasks. Projects like Eliza Wakes Up showcase the potential of AI-driven humanoids to revolutionize work, care, and entertainment. However, these rapid advancements also bring concerns about misuse and ethical implications. As humanoid robots become more lifelike and capable, researchers and regulators must work together to ensure responsible development. The future of robotics looks exciting, but the question remains, are we ready for this transformation? Or is it progressing faster than society can adapt? Give the thumbs up if you like the video and comment your thoughts in the comment section. Also visit judfmarketing.com for more information.